Hey guys, it's me, Brooklyn, and this is my second video. And right now I have a different account, but it's Meatballs Toy Palace. You might look up at John Andrews, but it's Meatballs Toy Palace. So if you want to look to this video, look up John Andrews, maybe Meatballs Toy Palace, it might show up. But yeah, so we're at the train station. We're not exactly at the train station, guys. So, yeah. So, here's the background. Sorry, it's not too bad of a background. I don't have my Shopkins over there today. But, let's just get started with the first item. Let's go. So what do we have here? We got a Happy Places. Whoa. So we got a Happy Places. You can get limited editions. See, and there's a playset to this. So look out for that, guys, if you want it. I have the playset. I got it for my birthday, and I got all the stuff here for my birthday. Today. Not the trains, just the toys that we're gonna open. Oh, yeah, what's this? Another kitchen. Wow, I have a lot of kitchens. Maybe that's bathroom. No, that's kitchen. So be careful with these because there is some really tiny pieces in it. What's this? Okay, so I know this is a new one. I know this pack's gonna be new. And we can add this to my kitchen playhouse. This one feels empty. Oh my god, guys. I thought it was empty, but it's just, whoa. Little, tiny, like little. Hang on, guys, my camera's like, it's like a little, hang on. Salt or pepper or something. I'm not sure. Maybe it's supposed to go in this bowl. Let's see what the last thing is. Okay. Hang on, guys. This does not want to... Whoa. Sorry. So it's like... Oh, it's the cake! And then that's like a little slice of the cake. So, like, what happens is this is like a cake pan. This is the cake pan. Then there's, like, this little piece that goes into the cake. And, like, it's like you're taking a slice out. That's pretty cool. So, yeah. I'll put this up there, too. Here we go. Now, let's move on. What's the next card gonna be? We got a season 6. Cool. So I've been having luck in these lately because I've been getting like an ultra rare, then a pack, then another ultra rare, and my last pack I got an ultra rare. So this could be an ultra rare, could not be. And these remind me of like jars. Like baby jars. Sorry guys, this is like hard to get out. There, I got it. And then each one of these comes with a recipe card. Usually. There's my little, sometimes it's hard. So this is a duplicate recipe card for me. This is Freezy Bites. Sorry guys, my cameraing is not focusing right now. There we go. Pretty cool. Let's hope for one of those. Set that right there. Now let's this. And these started to make tear strips for them. Oh, cool! We got the broccoli. I did not know they had this one, but I wanted this one if I knew that they had it, because that one looks pretty cool. So I'm glad we got that one. I got the tomato sauce the other day that's one of the ones I really wanted. And then we got flour. This looks cool. Did we need the flour? No. But that's okay. Well, guys, let's wait for the next train. So, it's coming in, I hope. You hear it, guys? We got season 5, and right now there are golden tickets in season 5. So you could get a golden ticket, but it's like winning the lottery, and it's what the golden tickets are for is going to visiting Moose in Australia. And again, it's like winning. You have a better chance of winning the lottery than getting a golden ticket for Moose, and you have a better chance of getting limited edition. But let's check our list anyway. I want to see this in person, guys. Nope, no golden ticket. Well, let's look now. These are sometimes hard to open. These you can... Hang on. This feels like a chair, like, sort of. Oh, it's like a little tennis one. I wanted that one, sort of. I can't get this out of the bag. Hang on, guys. It doesn't want to come out of the bag. Well, this one's a chair. I think this one might be a duplicate. It may not be. Well, let's wait for the next train again. So we got a giftum. This is my second giftum I ever opened before. These are hard to put. This is series 1 in giftums because they only have series 1 so far. I hope they make more of these, even though it's my only second one I ever opened. Hang on, guys. I'm gonna get this. Pull you out. Pull my girlie out. Can you guess who that is? Someone from Vineyard Hawaiian. Whoa. I think that may be an ultra rare. Hang on, guys. I gotta get her. Still does not want to come open. They taped her good. Whoa. And this is our last. There's one more cart before then it's the grand finale after this cart. So that technically, I mean, like, this is the last cart. So this looks cool. It looks like she's a little Japanese or Chinese girl. So I forgot how you can set them up, but there's a... Hang on, guys. They're hard to... I'm building her back. And I'm just going to build her a different way. So you can set her up 2 different ways, but I'm going to set her up like this way. Well, this is my way. That's how I'll set her up. She's pretty cool. So I'm gonna do this so it can go through. Hang on, guys. Let's do this. Well, hang on. She's in an awkward position, but you can do a lot with this. But that's how I'm going to set her up right now, so it will go through. Last but not least, the grand finale. Our favorite, my favorite at least, Food Fair. And Food Fair, you can get Season 1, Season 2, and Season 3. For those people who collect Shopkins, but they didn't get to get Season 1 or Season 2 or Season 3 yet. That's a way you can get them, because you can't get season 3 in stores anymore, but you can get them offline, but they're very, very expensive, so this is a way to get them cheap and in stores. But it's not exactly in their color, but it's in a different color, but still. And you can get a limited edition Delish donut. So, I didn't feel any cards, but you never know. Waffle Sue is season 2. Waffle, Waffle Sue, we love you, 'cause you are waffles and we love you too. So we got Waffle Sue, she's from season 2. That rhymes. I lost it. Sorry guys, I have the thing of found it. Could kind of see an eye. Can you guess who that is? You would guess. We might have got a season 1. Did we just get a season 1? Because I love we got a season 1, Cookie. And I don't have any season 1, so I'm glad I got her. Yay! Well, that was the end, guys. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe, comment, and leave a like. Bye!